With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, in an ionic crystal, A has formed cubic close packing and B atoms are present at every tetrahedral voids. If any sample of crystal contain n number of B atoms, then the number of A atoms in that sample is what? So over here we are given that in ionic crystal A is formed by cubic close packing, right? And B atom are present at all the tetrahedral voids. Right now they are saying that this B atom, they are basically n in number, right? So the number of A atoms in that sample would be what in terms of n, because in option we are given n by 2, 2n and root 2n. So over here if we look at A part, A atom, they are saying that it is formed by cubic close packing. Now cubic close packing is nothing but FCC, which is face centered cubic close packing, right? In this case atoms are present at corners plus face centers, right? Now in corners we know that there are total 8 atoms at 8 corners, right? And each has a contribution of 1 by 8 because each corner is shared by 8 unit cells. Then face centers are 6 in number and each are shared by 2 unit cells, and hence each has a contribution of 1 by 2. So this makes it 3 atoms. So we have 1 plus 3, that means 4 atoms of A present, right? And in B case they are saying that it is occupying all the tetrahedral voids. Now tetrahedral voids are present where? On the body diagonal, and there is presence of 2 tetrahedral voids on each body diagonal. And we know there are 4 body diagonals, right? And each have presence of 2 tetrahedral voids. That means there is total of 8 tetrahedral voids, right? And this number 8 is basically represented by n over here. They are saying that this is what, this is B and this is represented by n. And we know that A atoms, what they are, 4 in number, right? So they would be what according to in terms of n, that would be n by 2, right? Because 8 is represented by n, right? So 4 would be what? This would be n by 2. So n by 2 is our answer. So if we look at our option, n by 2, right? So this is our option correct. So our answer is second.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.